How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can design a box in Fusion 360 for beginners. So basically, it's extremely simple to do this. You don't have to manually put the right edge of the box, the bottom part and the upper part. What you have to do is to just click on the create button. And from here, we have the box option. So it's as simple as clicking the box itself. And then you have to select where you want to draw the box from. So I'm going to be selecting this specific plane. And then from there, you can just click and drag your mouse across the plane itself. Of course, you can customize the shape the way you want to. For example, maybe you want to extrude it to something like 20 millimeters. You can just do that. But generally, if you're doing this, you have the ability to manually type out the diameter. So maybe for this one, let's do something like 17 millimeters. And then let's increase the box size to this specific height. And so that's how easy it is to design a box in Fusion 360. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.